Mars rover, baby, Mars rover. Just look at that thing. Cyber Galaxy. Hey everybody, what's up? So we're back again today with another exciting Cybertruck accessories video, and I think you definitely need to add some of these items to your Christmas list for the Tesla Cybertruck. So this is my Cybertruck wrapped in blue with the yellow accents, and I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? So I just posted this picture on X last night of the light bar and everybody seems to love it. Everybody is curious, so that's one of the accessories in this video, so we'll take a look at that later, but let me show you the next four. This video is also sponsored by Handshow, so thanks to them for sending out these accessories for me to show to you guys. All the accessories that I'm going to show you in this video will be linked in the pinned comment and description below, so you can check them out. And also, if you use my discount code LamarMK, that will save you over 20% at checkout, so check it out. The first accessory you're going to check out is this seatbelt cover right here. Look at it, it has that nice Cybertruck font. Here you can see the next one up close. Looks pretty cool, So it matches this right here that says Cybertruck. Now a popular complaint that I have with the rear seat passengers is that the seat belt right here just tends to scratch their neck based on how the seating is set up. So you guys can also use these for the back as well. I just put them in the front. I like to keep things organized, so that's where this next accessory comes in handy. If we go right here, tap glove box, it opens up the glove box, and you can see inside we now have an organization tray. So that helps to keep everything organized. You don't have stuff rolling around. On this side, you get a little pad, so you know, it prevents scratches in the glove box. Pretty cool stuff. So if you like having a lot of storage space, this next accessory comes in handy. Look at that, we now have a storage tray. So under the seat, you can see that huge opening right there. So what better way to take advantage of that space? Look at that. Now you can put stuff in here and just push it under the seat, just like that. Comes for the both sides. So you have one here for the passenger and one there for the driver's side. So back here on the bed of the truck, we have another cool accessory. So let's open it up. There we go. And here you can see we have another piece of accessory right here to help you better tie down your load in the bed of the truck. There it is. So looks pretty cool. You can mount it anywhere you want along this track system. Here's a better look at it. Now for the moment y'all have been waiting for, the light bar. Just look at that thing, man. It looks so good. I think it makes the Cybertruck more looks like the Mars rover. Now if you want some Mars rover merch, you can check the link in the description below for my official Cybernation merch. So go ahead and check them out. But look at that light bar. Wow, let's take a closer look at it. So installation is pretty simple. You can see it mounts right here in these mounting points. It doesn't stick to the glass or anything up here. You can see it sits above the glass. It has this rubber piece right here to prevent this metal piece from scratching anywhere or damaging the glass. Look at that. Very easy to install. The power source is right here, so it taps into that power feed for the roof. So I'll show you how to enable that. But here's a closer look at it. You can see very neat, very neat. No complaints at all. I just like the way it looks. Look at that. Let me turn off the lights and show you what it looks like with the lights off. So it's pretty easy to control the light bar. You just go here to outlets and mods and you see power feed right here for the roof. Now it's already on, so if we press this again, it turns it off. And that's how easy it is to control the light bar. So let's take a look at it. Here it is with the lights off. Looks pretty cool. Wow. Mars rover, baby, Mars rover. Just look at that thing. Cyber Galaxy. Something else that's pretty cool about this light bar is that you can adjust it. So if we loosen this bolt right here, you can tilt the light bar up, down, just to have the light shining however you want it. So that is pretty cool. So now I'm going to show you what the Cybertruck looks like at night with the light bar. Check it out. Okay, so let's take a look at what it looks like in the night. The light bar is not on right now. This is just my regular lights, so not the high beams. So let's turn on the high beams. can see, that's with the high beams. Now let's turn on the light bar. So if I just go over here and I tap power feed to the roof, that's gonna turn it on. So look. That thing is bright. Wow. See? Look at that. Turn it off. See the difference? Turn it on again. There we go. This is with the bright lights on, but as you can see, that light bar is just, yeah, very bright. See? So bright lights on, bright lights off, and that's the light bar, and that's without the light bar. So here's the Cybertruck with the light bar off. Take a look. So just a view from this perspective. Now let's turn the light bar on. Well, since the light just went off, as you can see, it's pitch black. And now we have the light bar on. You can see. Wow, that's super bright, guys. Look at it. There we go. Look good, looks good, looks good. See? Wow, I like the way it sits up there. Now look at it down there. Now you can see everything. Looks pretty cool. Light bar. Look at that. Wow. This thing is cool, guys. So if you're going off-roading, yeah, you're gonna need one of this. If you're in California and need help setting up any of Hanshow's accessories, you can stop by their new location and they'll help you to install these accessories. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give the video a like, drop a comment down below, and let me know what accessories you want to see next for the Tesla Cybertruck. Also, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content like this. And don't forget to share this video with a friend that owns a Cybertruck so they can check out some of these cool accessories. So as always, thanks for watching, guys, and peace out.